everyone, I'm Heba and welcome back. Got an unboxing for you guys. This is the Beauty Box by Lookfantastic for the month of February. Now this is the only subscription box that I'm getting now. And I do like getting this one because Lookfantastic is based out of the UK and I like the brands that they're showcasing in their beauty boxes. And the sizes too. I'll list and link all the tiers of the different subscriptions you can get, but the one I have is the yearly subscription and I believe that one costs $16 a month. So it's not a bad price for a beauty subscription box. But anywho, let's go ahead and see what's in this month for February. And let's see the saying underneath the lid here. It says, "You are loved, you are worthy, you are magical." It's very fitting for Valentine's Day. There it is. Comes with a little booklet to let us know about the products in here, and in the inside cover it gives us a sneak peek of what will be in next month's box. And something I've tried before, it's by Christoph Robin and it's the restorative mask for the hair, and I have tried this product before and that's what that one looks like. We have something to look forward to for March, and it comes shipped like this. And let's pull this box out. It's by Magnetone, I believe. Wipeout Swipes. Let's see what these are. Oh, okay. These are little makeup remover pads and I love these. Oh, these are soft. And I like the little design in there. That's cute. So you have two microfiber cleansing pads that remove makeup with just warm water. Now I do have the ones by Glove, the same thing, but just different design. And these do feel a little bit fluffier and softer. But anywho, I've tried using water only and I prefer using a micellar water. I believe that takes my eye makeup off a lot better than just using plain water. Which, you know, you could use water if you didn't have a lot of makeup, but I have a lot of eye makeup on. Love my mascara and love my black eyeliner. So if I didn't have that much makeup on, probably water would be just enough, but I love these because these are reusable. All right, I'm excited about this one. Next we have Hand and Body Butter by Bubble Tea in the scent Strawberry Macaroon. A thick, hydrating, moisturizing for your body with a delectable strawberry scent. Contains strawberry extracts and essential oils. You get 50 mils of product, which is 1.6 fluid ounce, and look at that cute packaging. It's cruelty-free and paraben-free. Now before they used to have the price of the products, but I don't see it anymore, so I don't know how much this one costs or the pads or anything else in here. But you're supposed to get products in here worth $50. All right, next, ooh, I like this one. It's by Elemis and it's the Papaya Enzyme Peel. This is a natural exfoliating facial cream with 7 active ingredients to repair, protect, and clarify your skin. And a nice little travel size. You get 15 mils of product here. Next, I know this box. I have tried this product before. It's by Elemis and it's the Beyond Veil Primer. Got a little travel size here. Combining 2 of Ilamusca's hero products, the Hydro Veil Primer and the Beyond Powder. This face primer is hydrating and illuminating all in one. And this one is 6 mils of product here. Great for travel. Cute little jar. Next we have something from Balance Me, and it's the AHA Glow Mask. Ooh, I love masking. And it's a chemical facial exfoliant to brighten, purify, and plump your complexion. So the AHAs that it has lactic, glycolic, and malic acid. Oh, and tartaric, has cannelin clay and linden. I've tried products from Balance Me before, but not their glow mask. And it's a small little sample size, which is, you know, it's okay. It's enough for me. It's 10 mils of product. And then the last product that we have, oh, this is a very small size here. I'm gonna have to look and see what this is. It's by Galactic, I believe, and it's lid gloss. I dropped it. It's a liquid eyeshadow to take your makeup look to the next level. Okay, so it's a liquid eyeshadow, and I believe that's the color that we get. I believe the shade name is Zodiac, which is a warm copper. All right, this month is not bad. I'm really excited about the pads and the 2 masks and the veil, and curious about this liquid eyeshadow. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching this unboxing. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos like this. And you all have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.